Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD07. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD07 is losing suction and not picking up properly, you might be facing a common issue linked to a clogged filter or a blockage in the hose. If left unresolved, this could lead to overheating and potential damage to the motor, resulting in costly repairs. Let's dive into the tools you will need for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure that your Dyson HD07 is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the dust canister. Simply press the button on the canister to release it and pull it away from the main body. This gives you access to the internal components. Next, you will want to locate the filter. It is usually situated near the top of the device. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry off the cover, being cautious not to damage any clips. Once you have access to the filter, take it out and check for any blockages or dirt. If it appears dirty, wash it under lukewarm water and allow it to dry completely before reinserting it. If you notice any debris in the hose, use your tweezers to carefully pull it out. This will help restore the airflow. When reassembling, make sure to replace the cover securely and reattach the dust canister. To close the device, ensure that all parts click into place firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, plug in your Dyson HD07 and test it out. If it picks up as it should, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean the filter regularly, ideally every month, and check for blockages in the hose after each use. This will ensure your Dyson HD07 continues to perform at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.